Hi, I'm Nia Faith Betty.
And I'm Justice Faith Betty.
And we're the co-founders of Revolutionnaire.
And here's what's in our kit.
So the first thing in our kit is my favorite nail polish that we use every single day, and it's an Essie shade. It's called Cold Brew Crew, and it's part of the Expressi line. Sometimes it's really hard to find nail polish that matches your skin tone, and this matches us really well and just makes us feel, seen and recognized and celebrated.
So in my kit, I cannot go anywhere without my favorite lip product. So this is the YSL Plump in Color. And it's this gorgeous coral color that also has a plumping effect. I love to layer it with this amazing Clarins Lip Comfort Oil, which is super smooth, easily glides on.
Of course, I always have to have my Revolutionnaire tights, and these are great for dancers and non-dancers.
My next favorite product in my kit is actually the Revolutionnaire Releve Body Tape. So when I'm ready for a quick outfit change, and frankly, I just want to go braless, I can go ahead, put on this body tape, and also the included nipple covers.
So the next product in our kit is our absolute favorite brow gel. It's from Sephora collection, and what we love about it is the wand shape is really great with our eyebrows, and it's a really easy application, but ensures that everything stays in place and we don't have eyebrows, going too out of hand.
Our other favorite item in our kit absolutely is greenhouse juice. So this is my personal favorite, the good. It's all greens, no fruit, and just can't live without it.
And this is what's in our kit.